Chapter 5, Section 2. This should be a quick section. We're going to skip a few pages. So skip problem 1. We're going to start on page 318, comparing ratios. Remember yesterday, or on 5.1, we talked about part to part and part to whole. We're going to be doing that again. There are 26 graders and 30 8th graders in the chess club. Write the ratio of 6th graders to 8th graders. When you're doing ratios, you got to make sure you get them in the right order. So 20 to 30. That's one way you could write it. You can use the words 20 to 30, and then also as a fraction. Write the ratio of 6th graders to the total number. Total number, so 26 graders to 50 in the club. Ratio of 8th graders in the club to total number. There are no 7th graders, no sevies. All right, so 30 8th graders, and there are 50 in the club. Which is greater, the ratio of 6th graders to the total number or the ratio of 8th graders? So 20 to 30, wrong. 20 to 50 or 30 to 50. Obviously 30 is greater than 20. Easy enough. On B, next page, write the ratio of 8th grade, which is 30, to 6th grade, which is 20. 30 to 20 or 30 to 20. Ratio of total number of chess club members, now they're changing the order, to the number of 8th grade. 50 goes first, 8th grade goes second, 50 to 30. Ratio of total number to 6th graders. 50s are total, 6th graders get 20. Which is greater, the ratio of all chess club members to 8th grade, 50 to 30, or 50 to 20. 8th graders is still bigger. 5 over 2 is bigger than 5 over 3. Cross out those zeros. Don't get that. Number 2. A local mall is trying to attract more middle school students on the weekends to increase business from both the students and their parents or guardians. The owner collected the data shown from local middle schools for the question, which activity should the mall add to increase business? So you have roller skating, 126 graders, 67th graders, arcade, watching movies, and total numbers. So total for 6th grade is 240, total for 7th grade is 360. On the next page, Manny said that the ratio of 6th graders who prefer roller skating is the same as the ratio of 7th graders who prefer watching movies. 7th grade movies. Donnie thought he was wrong because the number of 7th graders who prefer watching movies is larger than the number of 6th graders who prefer roller skating. Who is correct? Explain your reasoning. All right, so how many 6th graders liked roller skating? 120. Did I get that right? 120. Yep. Out of 240 total. 7th graders, get myself dizzy. 7th graders and movies. 180 out of 360. So now you have two fractions, 120 over 140. Cross out the zeros. You have 12 over 24. You should recognize that add equals 1/2. For the 7th graders, is 180 out of 360. Cross off the zeros, just dividing by 10. 1836 is also 1/2. The two ratios are equivalent. So Manny is the winner. Manny is correct because, yes, you need to write this. The ratios are equal. So you've written your sentence, you proved your math. Yes, you need to write it. One more. A survey of the sixth graders with pets revealed that 20 students prefer cats and 10 prefer dogs. What is wrong with these people? All right, 20 cats, 10 dogs. How would you compare these two statements using part to whole? So I can do 20 cats to 30 animals. That would be 1. Probably label that. Cats total. Another way you could do it would be to dogs. 10 dogs to, that also goes to 30. That's total. Okay? So this is part, this is whole, this is part, this is whole. If you wanted to do part to part, you're going to have to compare the cats to dogs. So 20 to 10, part, PP. So that's cats, that's dogs. On this one, you can write it either way. So you can do 10 dogs to 20 cats. You're still a P to P. Okay, that's it for this section. Just reviewing again, part to whole, and writing your ratios.